concerned, we undertake as a ministry to work with all other government agencies to ensure that our circular on the school times are adhered to, and serious administrative action will be taken against any institution that violates it, so that we can bring that back our institutions to order with respect to the school time. So we undertake as a team, and we are going to make the pronouncement to ensure that even our officers on the ground are actively ensuring that that circular is adhered to.
Not just the circular, what everybody will see, including your pronouncement in the media.
Yes.
Because seriously, we cannot allow young girls to get exposed to what.
Thank you.
And in the meantime, I think give also every member of parliament who has issues like that in his backyard should come and report to the cabinet secretary, so that they're able to specifically go to certain institutions, send people there, carry out an exhaustive investigation, and bring to book people who are flouting the circulars and the rules of the ministry. Is that good enough? Honorable Russell, is that good enough?